welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hello, my name is Diamond Janay here on YouTube. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that fun stuff. I'm not active on Twitter whatsoever, to be completely honest. I need to get on it. I'm sorry. But if you're the type of person that loves hair reviews, makeup videos, vlogs, fashion, all that good stuff, then this is the channel for you, boo-boo. So click that subscribe button to see more of your girl, laugh, kiki, girl talk, all that fun stuff. But without further ado, in today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a Tinashe hair review slash update. Like, this is like an actual, like, me wearing this hair for more than a day wig review. No shade towards nobody else here on YouTube, because I can be talking about maybe 95% of the people that be doing hair reviews on here. Just saying. But I've actually worn this hair for a very decent amount of time, and I can give you a very in-depth review on the tea on this hair, so stay tuned. It is the Tinashe hair body wave lace frontal unit. Now basically this is 13 by 6, I believe. It's either 13 by 4 or 13 by 6. Now the reason why I'm not 100% sure is because of the simple fact that I actually ordered this wig, I would say way back in like March, because that was around when I got my income tax. So I had actually picked up this hair, and I also picked up the 613 wig that I did a review on and also an update on. So I will definitely leave the e-card up here and then also links down below in the description. But further along with this particular hair, I honestly do not understand why it even took me so long to do a video on this hair, especially considering the fact that I would say like 75 to 80% of the time when I do decide to rotate wigs, I do tend to always come back to this one, especially if I really want to look my best. Like, y'all know, like, y'all have go-to outfits or go-to makeup or go-to hair. If you really want to look good and snatch, like for a special event, a special date, or just when you feel like crap and you just want to like zhuzh yourself up, this is definitely that wig. This wig did come with transparent lace because I specifically selected it. This hair is also 22 inches long. Now granted, it is curled right now. I did use a wand curler to curl this hair. This hair is on the frizzy side, and I feel like, again, I'll get into the pros and cons in a minute, but it's a bit on the frizzy side. For me, honestly, I would say like 85 to 90% of the time when I would wear this wig, it would be straight, like, because this hair gets bone straight and it actually does stay straight. Like, y'all, this is some good hair. Minus the frizzy, this is some good hair. Like, I've gotten, I would say like 3 or 4 units from Tinashe hair, and honestly, out of all the different textures I've gotten, this texture feels the most like butter. Like the texture of the hair, I don't want to run my fingers through it too much right now, but the texture of the hair is absolutely amazing. It just feels so soft and just like literally it doesn't even matter what conditioner I use on it, like it always just ends up being so soft and just so nice after it dries and all that stuff. So like I previously mentioned before, it is 22 inches. Now granted, this is how long it looks on me right now when it is curled, and then this is what it looks like stretched out. And ignore the stain on my shirt, I'm sorry. But this is basically what it looks like. So it's like right underneath my boob. Again, it's all up to personal preference. I think this wig actually goes up to 28 inches on their website. I don't know exactly how much that would be. I'm assuming it's going to be closer to 400 if you do decide to get a 26 or a 28 inch. This one in particular, I paid, it was under $220 altogether. I do know that for sure, but it was like between $200 to $220. Me personally, like what Tinashe hair, they have their AliExpress store, and then they also have their official store, like their official website store. Now, what I have seen and what I have confirmed multiple times, because your girl's cheap, if you go on the AliExpress store, you can get the hair cheaper than if you were to go to the actual website yourself. Knots were easy to bleach on this wig. Again, this wig is very easy to work with. Honestly, if you even wanted to do like a Kim Kardashian, like wet mermaid type look with this hair, it does have some really nice waves to it as well. If you want to like add some curly mousse in there and like scrunch it up, I think I actually might try to do that with this hair. Now that I think about it, because that would kind of be a cute look, don't you think? Like a cute like mermaid type of thing. I might do that next, who knows. But yeah, like I said before, I mean, the hair, it curls amazing. Like honestly, like the hair curls like that. That's not my problem. But for some reason, and I don't technically blame the hair itself because I could be wrong. Because maybe it's me, maybe I'm crazy, I don't know. But like whenever I tend to try, like when I straighten it, I don't get frizzy. But whenever I curl it, I get frizzy. Okay, so moving on to tangling and shedding, because that tends to be the main thing besides the price that people look for when it does come to wig reviews. But so basically when it comes to shedding, it's not, I would say it's minimum shedding. It's not like you're literally gonna get like 2 or 3 strands. Like you are gonna get a couple of strands like when you wash it, but like everyday wear, like you styling it and wearing it on your head, you'll get like 2 or 3 strands. It's not crazy, but you do tend to get a tad bit more shedding when you wash it. But once everything's kind of said and done, like you're not over here having clumps of hair. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, this is actually 250% density. Of course, over me wearing it for like the past 6 or so months, you do, again, you're gonna get shedding, hair is gonna come out here and there, yada yada yada. So over time the wig is gonna get thinner. But again, that's another reason why I do like doing 250% density, because of the fact that the hair is gonna last you longer, especially if it doesn't shed all like that, which honestly this wig doesn't really shed like crazy. Trust me, your girl don't play when it comes to shedding and tangling. If it sheds or if it tangles, I'm gonna let y'all know, because I'm brutally honest with that, because I'm not gonna sit up here and pay my hard-earned money on some trash hair. No ma'am. So when it comes to tangling, honestly the tangling on this hair is almost non-existent. Like as long as you're brushing from bottom to top, you're really not gonna have any issues. There's not a lot of tangling at all when I wash it. There's not a lot of tangling at all once it air dries, and there's not tangling at all really when I'm going section by section, either curling or straightening the hair. The tangling is basically non-existent. Like literally, even from the top, and mind you, got my nails from the top of my head going all the way to the bottom. Look at that. Literally, like literally no tangling, nothing crazy. Again, I will say the frizziness is somewhat annoying, but again, it's not frizzy when I straighten the hair, but it's frizzy when I curl the hair and then try to like slowly like finger comb out the curls so they're a little bit looser and not so tight. So I don't know why. I feel like that's a boo-boo on my end, but again, it's something to be noted. Like as you guys can see, this hair is a bit on the frizzier side. I do need to look into different products to see what I can use to kind of help combat that. I will say the lace itself is pretty impressive. Now for some reason, I installed this hair, I would say like 2 hours ago. There's something about this install that's not like, usually it's A1, but for some reason this install for me this time around wasn't really A1. I don't know if I'm being like overcritical or I was like rushing or bugging. Like on camera, the lace looks pretty much good. Like as you guys can see, it's pretty much melted into my skin. But me looking at myself in the mirror, I can slightly see the difference, I would say like right in here. But for the most part, again, it blends into your skin really nice. There's really no issues with that at all, but that's what the lace looks like. Yeah, overall I don't have any complaints when it comes to this hair. Again, like I mentioned before, this is technically like my go-to wig if I really want to look cute and flawless. I actually wore this wig when I did take pictures for my website at Diamond Debonair if you guys are looking for some affordable mink eyelashes. But I even wore this hair when I took pictures from my website, and mind you, when I took pictures from my website, I wanted everything to be flawless. So guess what? This was the go-to wig that I picked to make sure I looked flawless AF. And if you guys look at all the pictures on my website, a lot of the pictures are close-up of my lashes, of course, but it's also my hairline, and you guys really can't even tell I'm even wearing a lace wig all like that. Like that's how good the lace melted into my skin, especially that particular day. Other than that, I think I pretty much covered everything. If I missed anything, please don't hesitate to comment down below and let your girl know. Of course, I'll answer any questions that you guys may have for me and all that good fun stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. I'm gonna slide to the side just so you guys have some other videos to watch. Again, you can watch my other upload for their blonde wig if you wanted to check that video out, or if you want more of like a funny / slash like laid back chit chat type of video, you can click on this video, and basically when I kind of gave like a life update type of situation as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.